Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I may look a little dressier than usual, and that's because I'm going to the Kesha concert in a few hours. So I thought this was a great time to try out a smoky eye. Now, in the past when I've tried smoky eyes, I look like someone hit me in the face, and that I have a nasty black eye. So we'll see if this is a little bit better. And today I'm using a tutorial that I found on Enos's channel. If you like Senegence, she's a perfect person to follow because she basically does makeup tutorials with just Senegence products. So yeah, we're gonna try her 2-color smoky eye because I think I won't mess this one up. So let's start by getting the mane out of the way. And one thing that she does is she does her eye makeup first. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start with some primer. I don't have a desk in here, so I'm just gonna use candlelight like I normally do. Ooh, that's the zoom option. And my cat's playing in the shades back there, so if things are moving around, that's why. So, some of this, and then under eye. And I already put silk on, and it's set for probably about 5-10 minutes. I crawled into bed with Cody for a little bit to take a nap. And the reason this is a good primer is because it gets rid of, well, one, my under eye circles, which can be pretty gnarly, and two, kind of like the veins that you can see, which is not something I really thought too much about, but totally true, you know? I didn't even think about that. All right, so the first thing that she did is she went in with Mocha Java, which is everyone's favorite color. So some Mocha Java here. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. Last time I had a big problem with it like focusing on my hand. So I'm just gonna use a little crease brush and put the Mocha Java in my crease. Wow, that's not what I really anticipated. So what she does is she starts with Mocha Java in the crease, and then kind of takes it with a different brush and pats it onto the eye itself. So let's see, she said she does circles. Okay, and then kind of pats it with like a flat brush onto the lid. So, get some of this here. And I am going to a makeup seminar this weekend. On Saturday. I think I'll bring my camera with. I don't know if I'll film anything because I'm pretty shy about this kind of stuff. But you know, I need to get over my fears. Because, you know, as Kesha would say, fuck the haters. You do you, boo. I'm paraphrasing. Okay. Let's do a little bit more because it's not darker than the crease, which is probably my fault. I think I went a little heavy-handed in the crease. All right, next is the part that really makes me nervous. And this is because we're gonna take Onyx, which is black, and just apply it. Ooh, buddy. I don't have a table in here, so I have to use my lap. So yeah, Onyx. And wish me luck. We're just gonna do it. So it seems like the best way to do these things is to go very, very light and then kind of add. and kind of do like the outer corner inward. We'll see. Oh man. Okay. So let's just be very circle it. Let's also get another hand. Okay. I think this is the part where you blend, right? Oh god, that's so much better. Whew! To say I was freaking out was a minor understatement. Okay. A little less punch in the eye, a little more smoke. Great. Yeah. One problem that I have with my eyes is they water really bad whenever I put makeup on. It's not really so bad with the Senegence products, which is nice. But okay, it's smoky-ish. So then we need to apply the eyeliner. I know, don't judge me for just doing that, but that's how I do it. And she did a cat eye. I don't think I'm there yet. Okay. So I use an angled brush. I know she doesn't, but I tried her technique with like just a flat or just like a small brush, and I just couldn't hang. So I use this little guy right here. And let's see, like I said, I don't have a table, so I'm gonna go up. Okay, there's one eye. Okay. Actually, no, let's not. Let's not. So now to get rid of some of this stuff down here, because that's always another problem I had, is I would just like, I would have like a ton of fallout like that, and I would be like, why is this happening to me? And then I realized that pretty much everyone has that same problem. So I use the Foops and a little Q-tip. I like this Foop stuff. And then just kind of the edges there. As you can tell, this is the first time I'm doing it because I haven't really developed a technique. I can't tell if that's a shadow or the color. You know when you like rub your face and you get like redness? Like, is that what that is? I haven't looked into it. I came prepared. Party, do not jump up here. He's going to. I can see it in his little eyes. My cat. All right. What do we think about that? That's not bad at all. It's not super smoky, but I'm new to this and I'm kind of terrified to like really go in there and smoke it out. But you know what? It's Kesha, so let's do a little bit of mocha java on the under eye. Because that was always my problem too. And you know, this is a learning experience truly, because I will find out if I can handle it, you know? Meaning, I don't look like someone punched me in the eye. You guys are laughing, but when I was a kid, I tried some makeup and it did not go well. And I think that's what kind of ruined it for me. It was just people laughing at how awful I was. And I was one of those kids who like was always really good at everything they did. So if I wasn't good at something, I immediately stopped doing it because what was the point? You know, I'm sure other overachievers on this channel can relate. This isn't awful. It's not. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll do my eyebrows next. And something that I saw someone do is mix onyx and mocha java to do their eyebrows. And the thing is, I got the whatchamacallit, the eyebrow stuff, and I just don't know really how to use that little like thing. I'm used to using a pencil, so I still am kind of confused about it. So I just use like this soft angled brush and I put the two and I just mix them together to make this nice like ashy gray color. Ooh, that needs a little bit more brown. Oh, it's a little dark. The products are just really versatile. Okay, so it's like this grayish color. Do that to eyebrows. I'm getting a microbladed, but the lady I'm going to has like a really long wait list. So I made an appointment in February and her first opening was October. So that's when I'm getting them done. I'm really excited. She comes highly recommended, obviously with a wait list like that. So I'm still getting used to the technique of not using a pencil, but not bad. So now time for foundation. I'm gonna start with some color correcting. Again with candlelight. This guy is going away, but he's not quite gone. I haven't really had to do too much with color correcting lately. Like I mentioned before, I was on Accutane, so I don't really have to do too much shit like I used to, but still. All right, now my foundation. And I use Dewy. And I just do like half a squirt on this guy. I think what I'm gonna start doing, and I forgot because I was gonna do it this time to see how I liked it, is put it on the back of the cap and then use that. And you guys should be proud of me. I kind of have my own routine now. Next is some brightening. I went from someone who like doesn't wear makeup at all to like, look, I have a routine. Oh, that's a little too much. Shnikes. Oh, shnikes. Do you remember those old Chris Farley movies? Where he used to say, shnikes. Oh man. That used to just kill me when I was a kid. Just so funny. Okay, so we've brightened. Next, we're going to bronze. Because I've decided the contouring, it was too much too soon. I'm not there yet. I'm just not ready to make that commitment. And I was watching some other YouTube videos. I warned you guys, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. And they were talking about the difference between bronzing and contouring. And I think I'm more of a bronzer. I really do. So there's that guy. Now, some mascara, some setting powder, and then the lips. I think today I'm gonna try the lash scents again. You know, maybe I just didn't give it, you know, a fair try. And this